Brownie, go away. Rip it off, Kaden. Brownie, go.
Open. Of course.
Can you open it?
Open it!
Good job.
Yay!
Here,
What's
Kaden.
there?
Of course.
Yeah. What's
Can you
there?
open it? Come on. Pull it off. Rip it.
Rip it off. There you go. Thank you.
Of course.
Yeah. What's that?
And I open.
Yeah.
Open. Because
Pictures.
pictures.
Who's that?
Pictures.
Pictures?
Open.
Open. That's a
Open
blanket.
it.
It's a blanket for your bed. Okay? It's a blanket. Should we do another one? We'll save that one. We'll save that one for your bed. Here you go, baby. Open it. Here. Pull it open right here. Rip it open. Right?
Because.
Yeah. Let's open it up.
Open.
Can you rip this? Can you rip it off? Right. Kaden, pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Honey, that's just wrapping. Pull this. Ready? Come on, let's see what's in there. What is that? What's in there? Pull it up. Let me see. Oh!
Oh.
What's that?
Oh.
Kaden, it's a potty. Kaden's Cars potty. Cars potty. Just what you wanted, right? A potty.
Cool. I know, I've seen it. That's so cool.
Cool, let's say cool. Very cool. Okay, if we take this off, I think it'll
Yeah, did it. They look weird whenever I drew it on them.
activate through sound. I don't know, we'll figure it out later. Here, Kaden, there's another present. Can you open it? What's in there? Take them out. Rip them out. Gotta take the paper off. Yeah, that's yours. It's like, all right, this is okay. I like this present thing. Oh, is that yours? That's Kaden's SpongeBob. Look at his arms are twisted. Here, all untwisted. Aww. Isn't he cute? Cool. Cool. Aw, SpongeBob. Shoes, yeah. Okay.
Because.
See.
Because.